Okay, boys, here is why you need to be changing the environment you live in. I think you've heard this tip a million times, but I will give you my example of this. So, for 18 years, 17 years, I was living with my parents. Okay, we know that. Since 1 year ago, I started living on my own. And since doing that, since moving out, I've seen so much more success in my business, in my life, and everything started going great, bro. And I know you heard this, you know about this, but like it's not about the place you live in. It's also about the places you go out. And if you stay in the same place too long, for example, I'm here in one city in Serbia, and I get anxiety when I'm here more than 2 weeks. I need to go out somewhere. Like I need to go in a different city. I need to go in a different country because I cannot be living here and being stationary. Like I cannot do that because the environment will kill me. This is a small city. Like people here are, how do I say that? Very limited. They don't think big. They think small. They're fucking, I cannot say retards. They don't know about life, literally. They don't have any ideas. They just know to work and that's it. They don't have any plans in their lives. They are literally limited. So when going out in different cities, you see more stuff, meet new people, like spend time with like more quality people because only those guys will be the guys you meet because no other guy will be equivalent to your mindset. Because when you go out and travel, you will find those guys and find new friends that are actually like-minded like you. So you need to be going out every single month, literally. Go out in a different country if you have money. Go out in a different city if you don't have that much money, but still meet new people, meet new, literally new things in your life. If you sit here in one city, as you do right now, you will be starting to collect the information literally that everybody in that city has. Who knows? Even worse, if that city is small, you will be small too. Literally, if you don't go out. If you live in a big city, where like New York, for example, that's okay. That's very good, but it's not that good to stay still in that place for very long. So only if you have kids and your wives and your house, in your house, but like you shouldn't be as a young man sitting in the same place. You need to go out. You need to make memories. You need to experience everything that this world give us. So you will have more knowledge, and your business will actually, literally, will go much better in profit because you have learned more things about life. And I don't know why that happens, but whenever I traveled, I earned more. Like, whenever I go out somewhere in a different country, different city, my business performed better. Like, you need to be living the life. You don't need to be just sitting at your home trying to be hardworking. No, bro, that's not life. So change the locations you live in. I literally change the cities I live in every 3 to 4 months because I cannot sit in the same place. A tractor is coming by. I cannot, like, I paused because I tried to like pretend it's not there, but no, it's there. Like, I'm not cutting this video. I'm trying to speak from my lungs to actually tell everything and mean whatever I say. So I won't be cutting this video. This is a totally raw video, as many of you know who watch my videos. So, I mean, change the location you live in. That will change your whole fucking life. Go out in a different city, just take a random bus, go out with your friends, and you will learn more about life. And whenever somebody asks you to go out, say yes. And that's the easiest way how to actually perform better in this life. Make your life more entertaining, make more money, learn new things, and expand your lifestyle through your personal brand if you post, of course. So, yeah, I mean, that's it, boys. Hope this was useful. And don't be sitting in that city you're in. Go out immediately after this video. Go plan a trip. So, yeah, if you need any questions, go show me a DM on Instagram. I'm free to help you. See you, boys. Ciao.